Hello, this is Will from journalwallstreet.blogspot.com. I'm here for the trade reviews for trades made on June 4th, 2012. Well, my original intent today was not necessarily to trade, but more or less to figure out how I want to trade going forward and different approaches that I should be thinking of. So with that in mind, I didn't really try to take many trades, but when I saw something I really liked, that's when I took action. So the trade happened in Starbucks. It wasn't doing much this morning. Then towards the end of the day, there was some news that came out, and it kind of started ticking off. So my first trade that I looked at was after this really strong up move, I was waiting for a pullback, and it just so happened that pullback also made a 15-minute inside bar on the longer time frames. And if you look on the shorter time frames, it's a really nice pullback pattern. And if I add the moving averages on here, the 8 exponential moving average, let's make it red. Then you notice how it was like a 3-bar pullback that bounced off of the EMAs and broke out from there. So this would have been a pretty nice entry for a regular pullback play, but I got in here on the 15-minute bar breakout, and I got in with 200 shares. So my measure move for that was I just took this bar, and it was at around 53.17, which once it got there, I took half off just to make the trade. And then I just kept watching and watching, and my mindset for this was to buy it back on the next pullback. And the next pullback happened here, a little 5-minute inside bar. So I just bought the breakout of it. Not too big of a trade. If you look at the 13-minute, also a pretty nice inside bar here, and the measure move for that would have been 53.60 or close to it. So that's kind of where I sold here. So I'll make my cells green. So I bought here. Actually, it should be the other way around. Green, red, 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 green. Okay, so the green represents the places where I purchased. Right there and right here. And the red is where I took profits. So, pullback play, found the measure move, and just bought it back and sold it a little higher. Very small size. Like I said, the idea behind these trades was just to practice, I guess, self-control and discipline. On a couple of occasions I did almost want to switch over to my TD account and start trading there, but I had to close that out, and I definitely closed my platform out very early because I felt a bit of impulse that was happening that wanted me to just buy. But I did my best to withhold, and this was the result. So I like this trade. Probably watch this tomorrow. Maybe a possible continuation of this. And that's really all I did today. I was watching Facebook because I still have my puts and still looking good. You can see it's below inside day yesterday, so that should be bad news for Facebook owners. And I'm one of them in my 401k, but retirement account, so I don't really care. Try to pull up or pull back this afternoon. It broke out, but then that was quickly rejected, and I'm pretty sure if I put it in after hours, okay, it didn't do much after hours, but kind of stuck here. But as for tomorrow, let's see, I don't think there's really any big name reporting. I know today Dollar Tree reported, started off high, came back low. Tomorrow Let's see. We don't have, I don't think there's anything worth mentioning. Yeah, there's UNFI, but that's super low volume. So tomorrow is just going to be another day of watching, look through my watch list for technical patterns and make trades off of that. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.